Hey guys, I made $200 in 1 week through copy trading, and I want to show you guys exactly how to be able to do that. So if you don't understand what copy trading is, I'm going to explain that in a bit. Then I'm also going to be recommending to you guys the platform that I personally use to carry out copy trading and how you can get started with it. And then also I'm going to give you some tips on how to be successful with it. So make sure to stick to the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of the steps and you don't miss out on any information. So let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm going to explain to you what copy trading is all about. So if you are new and you don't understand what copy trading is all about, it simply means being able to copy the trades of experienced traders, those who are better than you or those who have gone ahead of you. So even if you're a stark beginner, you've not traded before for the first time, you can use and leverage copy trading to be able to make some money while you are learning. So the way it works is that once you sign up and then start copying a particular trader, all the trades they are going to be taking will be replicated on your own account proportionally. For example, if a trader is trading with $100 and for a particular trade they are entering that trade with 10% of that amount, so whatever it is that you're going to be trading with that is your own capital, if it is $1,000 for example, that means you're going to be also using 10% for that trade. So that is the way it works. So when they are profitable, you are also going to be profitable, but if they make losses, you would also make losses. So in this video, what I'm going to show you guys is this platform here, LiteFinance, and I'm going to show you guys how to be able to use this platform for copy trading. So once you click on the first link in the description of the video, you'll be able to sign up with LiteFinance, and when you come on their website right here, you'll be able to register. So once you click on registration, you'll be able to enter your personal information and then enter your date of birth, then continue. Then the next thing is going to ask for your information, just the same way you sign up on any platform. So make sure that when you are signing up, you are using the exact details that you have on your IDs to sign up, and they are verifiable as well. So once you finish signing up, then you will be ready to start copy trading. So right here on LiteFinance, you can see is a well-known exchange that has been existing for more than 20 years in the market right here, and you can see they have so many features, advantages, conditions, latest technologies, and all the things that will help you to succeed in the market. So it has over 3.6 million users, and you can see in the last 24 hours it has almost $7.92 billion in volume of trade, which is very huge. So it is trusted. You can easily go ahead to sign up with this broker. Check the link in the description and then you'll be able to get on board. So right here, the feature we're going to be looking at today is the copy trading aspect of it. You can see you have the option to copy successful traders. So even if you don't know how to trade, even if it's your first time of trading, you can use this particular feature to be able to copy trades of successful traders. So once you click on start copying, it's going to take you to this page where you're going to see a couple of traders that you can copy from. So what you want to look at, you want to look at their profitability over time, and you also want to consider their risk. So once you select any of them, let's say for example I want to go with this particular person right here, it's going to show you all the details about this particular trader. So for example, once you click on this particular trader, you can see that it has about 111 persons who are copying their trades, and that shows you that people are actually following this person. And then you can see their ranking in number of days and their personal assets, as well as all the assets, cumulative of assets of their own plus that of those who are copying from them. All right, so you can go ahead and see their annual rates, their profitability, the risk involved, and all of that. So once you are satisfied with all of that, you also look at the assets they trade to make sure it matches with the type of currencies you want to trade. You can see this guy trades gold, it trades Euro USD, also trades GBP USD. So once you are cool with that, then the next thing you want to do is just to go ahead and make deposit into your account, and then you can be able to start copying these persons. Now I want to give you some tips on how to make the best out of your copy trading journey. Now the first thing is for you to always research the trader that you're going to be copying from. So like the research has to do with going through all of these details and looking them up. If for example they have social media accounts and all of that, if you can have the account or look at what they have done in the past, that would help you to make even better decisions. So you want to research the trader and make sure that you are familiar with their trades and their own system and their methods. Then the second tip that I want to leave with you guys is to always diversify your portfolio. So you don't want to put all of your funds in under one particular trader. So you can decide to choose more than one trader to copy at a time, so that you can split your funds. Let's say you have $500, you can decide to split your funds into $100 to about 5 different traders, so that whatever happens at the end of the day, if one person is losing, you will not lose your entire fund all at the same time. Now, the third tip I will also want to leave with you guys is to always set your TP and your SL, which is your take profit and your stop loss. That would help you to properly manage your account very well. So if, for example, the person you are copying has a higher risk appetite, you can decide to go with 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So that way you know that this is the amount you can lose in a particular trade, and you're not going to lose beyond that. So that would help you to properly manage your risk. Now, the third tip I want to leave with you guys is that always start with a small amount to test things out before you go all in. Let's say initially you want to start trading with $1,000, you can decide to start testing with maybe $200 and see how the performance goes over time. So if it is going very well, then you can now decide to increase your risk or increase the capital that you want to trade with. So the fifth tip is for you to always monitor your trades. Pay attention to your account. Always make sure that you are watching what the trader you're copying is doing and how it is affecting your account, so that you can monitor closely and know when to quit or when to stop. So that's basically it. If you want to be part of my community, make sure to join my Telegram group with the link in the description. You can also join my Telegram channel, where we share tips and we also share good trades like this. So I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next one.